Alright, guys. Whew. I hope you don't hear that little sound in the background. I'm not sure, but anyways, let's begin this unboxing. Look what I got here, the Panasonic GH5. The first time that I'm gonna use it, the first time ever that I'm gonna try a Panasonic Lumix G camera. So let's open it up and see what it has. So the box looks really cool actually. Ooh, that looks cool, man. Alright. Warranty papers, manual stuff, always good. Ooh, the strap. This is the camera. That is definitely the camera. And this is the lens, I think. And the battery charger. This is an empty thing. What is this? What is this? I'm not even sure what it is. Alright, cool. So, ooh, but here it is. Wow! It's huge, man! I didn't know it was that huge. Micro Four Thirds. Small form factor. This is huge, man. Look at this. My wow. Alright. I did not expect that at all, guys. I'm sweating. Whew. I'm excited. I'm hot. Anyways. Alright. The lens is small. You can hear that, right? I think that is the motor what's inside of the lens. Alright. Alright. Let's pop everything in. Micro Four Thirds sensor. Oh, look at this little sensor, guys. Look at it. Yes. A tiny little sensor. Alright, gonna pop this in. Alright, feels good. Alright. Button layouts look really good. SD card slot. 2 SD card slots, that's nice. HDMI, a full HDMI. USB, it looks like a USB-C type of thing. Microphone goes in here. Battery on the bottom. Alright, let's put this. It's actually quite a huge battery, to be quite honest. Okay. Alright. Pop that in. Going to get myself a SD card from somewhere. Doesn't go like this. Take the other way around. Alright. Battery's in. Everything's in. Let's flip out the screen. Put it here. On. Please set the clock. Manual. How does it work? Live view. Is it live view? No, this is live view. Display. Ah, look at this. Here it is, guys. Ooh. It feels quite big, to be quite honest. I'm not sure about this, guys. I'm not sure. It's, let's take a picture real quick. Autofocus. Alright, autofocus on. Okay. Alright. Okay, I took a picture of something. Alright. Okay, this is how you back button autofocus something. First time ever doing this with a GH5. Alright, GH5. Take a picture of my face. Where's the... like this. Okay. I feel like a monkey that doesn't know what to press. Gonna switch my Sony A7 Mark III with the GH5 and just compare the image and autofocus real quickly. Alright, let's switch it. So, here it is. GH5, the GH5 image, straight out of camera without no color grading, and this is how the image is looking. How does it look? Do I look normal? Am I in focus? I don't know. There are things in the front of my screen, so I don't know. So yeah, my first impression so far, it is quite a big camera. It's my first time ever using a Panasonic GH5, and to be quite honest, I'm not sure it has good touchscreen. I'm not sure about the autofocus, not sure about the image quality. So yeah, here are some photo examples as well. What do you think about it? And I'll be see you in the full review in the following weeks or so, maybe end of June, mid-July or something, maybe even later, to have a more in-depth review. If you want to see that review, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, Panasonic GH5. I'm curious, I'm really curious.